Hi students, yesterday we discussed some identities which are useful to convert product into sum. So let us recall that identities. First identity is 2 sin A cos B. So this is the product. How to convert into sum? 2 sin A cos B sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So we derived this identity already. Next identity 2 cos A sin B sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. And third identity is 2 cos A cos B 2 cos A cos B, which is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Next minus 2 sin A sin B 2 sin A sin B cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. So these 4 identities are useful to convert product into sum. Today we are going to derive how to convert sum into product identities by using the identity. So for that I am putting in this formula A equal to C plus D by 2 and B equal to C minus D by 2 in this identities. If you substitute A equals C plus D by 2, B equals C minus D by 2, in each and every identity you will get again 4 identities. So I am going to substitute in first identity. This is the first identity. In place of A I am substituting C plus D by 2. So you will get 2 sin C plus D by 2 here in place of A. In place of B I am putting C minus D by 2. This is left hand side. And right hand side it becomes sin of C plus D by 2 plus C minus D by 2 plus sin of C plus D by 2 C plus D by 2 minus C minus D by 2. So this is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2 is equal to, by taking LCM, plus D minus D cancel, in numerator you will get 2C, 2C 2 cancel, so it will be sin C, plus here by taking LCM, minus C plus C cancel, minus of minus D plus D 2D, so you will get sin D. Therefore the identity is sin C plus sin D, sum of 2 trigonometric functions we will convert into product of 2 trigonometric functions, C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So this identity, another identity, this is got by first identity. Okay. Now I am substituting A equals C plus D by 2, A equals C minus D by 2 in second identity. What is second identity? Put A equal to C plus D by 2, B equal to C minus D by 2 in 2 cos A sin B. 2 cos A sin B is sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Now left hand side it becomes 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Right hand side we will get C plus D by 2, C minus D by 2, automatically it is C and it is D. So sin C minus sin D. We got sin C minus sin D formula, 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. The second identity. Okay. Now I am putting A equals C plus D by 2, B equals C minus D by 2 in third identity. What is third identity? 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So in place of cos A, I am substituting C plus D by 2, cos B C minus D by 2. By adding these two, you will get cos C automatically plus here cos B. So therefore we got another identity, cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So last identity I am going to derive by substituting A equal to A plus C plus D by 2 B equals C minus D by 2 in last identity minus 2 sin A sin B. What is the formula? Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. So I am substituting here. So we will get minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2 equal to A plus B. We will get cos C. A minus B we will get cos B. So cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. So totally 8 identities we got. First 4 identities we can convert product into sum. Remaining 4 identities we can use to convert sum into product. Okay. So here I will write the product to sum, identities, product to sum, and here sum to product. Identities, sum to product, identities. Product to sum, first formula 2 sin A cos B, which is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Next to 2 cos A sin B, 2 cos A sin B, which is sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Next 2 cos A cos B, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B minus 2 sin A sin B. Sorry, cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Now sum to product sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2, 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Next sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D. 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Next cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D. 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. And minus cos C minus cos D. Minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. So these are the 4 identities. We have to use these identities to solve the problems. Okay, let us do some problems. Now exercise 3.6 problems. First bit, express each of the following as sum or difference. So we have here products. 5 problems are there. I will solve first and fifth one. The remaining problems you can solve. So product we have to convert into sum or difference. So product to sum identities we have to use here. So to solve first one, I am using the sin cos. So we know that product to sum identity I am choosing 2 sin A cos B. Why? Because here observe we have sin and cos and both angles are different. So 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B formula is what? Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So I am using this identity to convert product into sum. But we don't have 2 here. So I am multiplying and dividing by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 to the given question sin 35 cos 28. That equal to 1 by 2 sin A cos B, sin A plus B, 35 plus 28 plus sin A minus B, 35 minus 28, 35 minus 28, 1 by 2 sin 35 plus 28, 563 plus 63 degrees, sin 35 minus 28, 7 degrees. Okay, so I converted product into sum. Now fifth problem, similarly. What is fifth problem? Sin 5 theta, sin 4 theta, sin 5 theta, sin 4 theta, and I am using the identity, last identity, minus 2 sin A, sin B, minus 2 sin means last identity, 2 minus 2 sin A sin B is cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. I am using this identity. We don't have minus 2 here, so I am multiplying and dividing by minus 2. Minus 2 sin 5 theta, sin 4 theta. That is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now here we will get cos A plus B, 5 theta plus 4 theta, minus cos A minus B, 5 theta minus 4 theta. This will give minus 1 by 2 of cos 9 theta minus cos theta. So product is converted into difference now. Okay. Right. Second bit in this exercise, second bit problem. Express the following as a product. The following as a product. As a product. First problem. Sin 75 minus sin 35. Second problem. Cos 65 plus cos 50. Third one. Sin 50 plus sin 40. Fourth one. Cos 35 minus cos 75. So here we have the difference and sum. We are going to convert this sum and difference into product. So second 4 identities we have to use. So I am going to solve 1 and 4. First problem. So to solve this, we know the identities. We know that sum to product identities. We know that sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D. What is sin C minus sin D formula? 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Sin C minus sin D formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Okay. Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Similarly, cos C plus cos D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Okay. For sines we will get cos and sin. Remember it. Right. I am using this. Here C is 75, D is 35. Sin 75 minus sin 35. 2 cos 75 plus 35 by 2 sin 75 minus 35 by 2. 2 cos 75 plus 35 110 by 2, 110 by 2, and here sin 75 minus 35 40, 40 by 2, 2 cos 5 is 10, 55 sin 20. Right, sum is converted into product. Now fourth one, problem number 4 in second bit. cos 35 minus cos 75. Cos 35 minus cos 75. So again we know that cos C minus cos D formula. Minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. So this is cos 35 minus cos 75. By using this identity, you can write minus 2 sin 35 plus 75 by 2 sin 35 minus 75 by 2. So you will get minus 2 sin 35 plus 75, 110 by 2 is 55, sin minus 40 by 2, so here minus 40 by 2 minus 20, minus 20. Now minus multiply with minus 2 sin 55 sin 20. 2 sin 55 into sin 20. Why? Because sin of minus theta minus sin theta. Now problem number 3, third one. Third bit. Show that sin 12, sin 48, sin 54. Sin 54 is equal to 1 by 8. Okay. So I am taking LHS to show this. So we have sin 2 sines. First I will consider these 2 sines. 2 sin A sin B. Minus 2 sin A sin B. I am going to convert this product into sum. Okay. So for that I am multiplying and dividing by minus 2. Minus 2 sin 12 sin 48. And sin 54 I am taking outside. Minus 1 by 2. Minus 2 sin A sin B. Minus 2 sin A sin B formula. Cos A plus B. So 12 plus 48 minus cos A minus B. 12 minus 48. By using product to sum formula. Sin 54. I did this. Okay. Minus 1 by 2. Cos 12 plus 48. So how much? 50, 60. Cos 60. Here 36 minus 36 again plus 36 into sin 54. Minus 1 by 2. Cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus cos 36 into sin 54. So here minus 1 by 2 I am multiplying with minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 4 sin 54. Minus into minus plus 1 by 2 cos 36 into sin 54. Sin 54 I am converting into cos. For that, can I write 54 as 90 minus 36? Yes. Plus 1 by 2. This is cos 36. Again 54 I am writing as 90 minus 36. So it becomes cos 36 plus 1 by 2. Here cos square 36. Cos 36, cos 36, cos square 36. And we know the cos 36 values. Root 5 plus 1 by 4. Remember cos 36 value. I am substituting here minus 1 by 4, root 5 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square. Now let us simplify this. Minus root 5 minus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 2, 16, 5 plus 1 plus 2 root 5. So here by taking LCM, 32 is the LCM, minus 2 root 5 minus 2 plus 6, 5 plus 1 plus 2 root 5 by 32. Now simplify, 2 root 5 get cancelled, 6 minus 2, 4 by 30, 4 1 4 8, which is 1 by 8. Okay.